Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the card kit. So our card kit this month is featuring Everett Road Valentine Collection. It is super jam-packed full of product. So you're going to start with 6 card bases that are pre-scored, 6 envelopes. Then you're also going to have a cardstock, and the 2 white cardstocks are heavy enough to do card bases. It's a really heavy cardstock. Then we also have a pink and a red cardstock. And let's take a look at the pattern paper that you're going to get. You're going to get 2 different paper pads, and these are complete. There are 12 sheets with 6 designs in it. And this one is like your cardstock, your solid patterns. So it's going to have the pink and the red, and then a deeper red, kind of like a brick red, and then a deeper pink. So you can see you got 2 tones of pink and 2 tones of the red. Then your pattern paper here, and you're going to get 2 of each. So it's white with polka dots with red, little sprinkles of heart on the pink, a red plaid, super cute little hearts with the roses on pink, and then pink roses on the red. And we've got the pink and the red herringbone there. So that's all of your pattern papers, lots and lots to do cards with. For your embellishments, you're going to get 3 chipboard frames. So they're super cute. You're going to get these gemstones, which pink, red, and silver. You're also going to get a roll of washi tape. The washi tape will vary among the kits, but I got this pink and red plaid. You're going to get a roll of twine, and these will vary as well, but I got the pink and the white. And then you're going to get 2 sticker sheets. Again, these will vary among the kits, but those are the 2 that I got. So you're going to see, you're going to be able to make a lot of cards with all of this product. You'll also be able to download recipe cards for 6 greeting cards. So be sure to download that freebie to be able to create right along with our talented design team. Be sure to check out all the other items available in the store. There's a ton of items. There's past kits, there's some single kits, just lots to have there. So be sure to check that out. You can have it shipped along with your kit at no additional cost. We want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.